Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Alyssa, the Senior Style and Planning Editor here at The Knot, and you are watching Save or Splurge Registry Edition. Today we're talking all about convection ovens, and I have my favorite couple, Whitney and Henry, here to help me test them out. Hey guys.
Hi.
Hey. Welcome. How do you feel about convection ovens? Do you even know what a convection oven is?
I do not. Okay. I have no idea. I see a lot of ovens on countertops, and I always thought ovens were in the wall. So I'm a little confused about what's happening, but I'm excited to learn something
We
new
can help
today.
you out. Whit, what do you think?
I grew up with one. I'm very familiar, but we don't have a convection oven at home, but I think we could use it.
A little 101 on convection ovens. Essentially, they're exactly what you said. They're pretty much countertop ovens. You can broil fish, you can make cakes, you can make a steak, make burgers, make pizzas, which is what we're doing today. So they really are something that is just like really fast and quick, an easy way to either add more oven space if you're hosting a crowd or just do something quick on your countertop. We have 3 options here for you guys. Okay. They're all ranging different price points. Some have a few more bells and whistles than others, but they're all really great options. We will start with our first one. So this is from Hamilton Beach, a really great classic appliance brand, and this retails for $65. It's pretty straightforward too. So it has temperature settings, it has a timer, and then it has broil, bake, or toast. So those are your 3 options when you're deciding whether you're heating it essentially from the bottom, from the top, or from the top and the bottom at the same time. You choose your temperature, you choose your timer. When you put your timer on, you'll hear it makes a little clicking sound, and it'll ding when you know time's up. The great thing about this too is it has a really cool space-saving sliding door.
Ooh, I like that.
So instead of opening out like this, it opens up. It's just a little bit easier. So I'm coming in hot, literally, with this pizza. Are you ready to try it out?
Yes,
We are.
very ready.
It made it nice and crunchy, as you can see.
I love a crunchy pizza.
It smells
great.
delicious. Good, right?
Oh, I think it is hot.
That was a nice crunch.
I was just about to say that.
Nice and crunchy.
has a
And
nice
just for
crunch.
context, we had this going for 6 minutes, maybe, not even. So it's a really quick way to get a good weeknight meal under your belt. Next up, Henry, I'm gonna have you take it out, actually.
All
Are you
right.
comfortable with that?
We'll
All right,
see.
so this is the Breville iTouch Smart Oven.
What makes it smart?
So basically it has more identifying presets.
Okay.
So we actually had this on the pizza setting.
Ooh.
So it immediately knew how to cook it, what temperature to cook it at.
Okay.
There's a broil setting, there's a slow cooker setting, things like that. So you can do a little bit more flexibility without having to think about it as much with
Got
this
it.
guy. So, wanna cut us a
Ready
slice?
to dive in.
It's steaming.
It is really hot, careful. Very crunchy. It's
love
delicious.
this. Yeah, it's
The cook on
Very
it is
crisp.
so good.
I think that's great. It's super crispy and apparently cooked in about 2 minutes.
Yeah, not even. It cooks
If you
so
can't
quickly.
wait to eat a frozen pizza, then this seems like
This
a
is your
great
this is
tool.
your jam right here.
Perfect.
Okay, so you guys ready to test out our final option?
Yes.
All right, this is the June Smart Oven, and while I'm taking it out, I'm going to tell you a little bit about it. Want to bring that plate over?
Yep.
Awesome, thank you. So this is one of the coolest things I've seen on the market recently. It is $600, but that sounds like a steep price point, and it is. But it takes the place of 7 different appliances.
Okay.
So you can roast, you can air fry, you can dehydrate meat. If you want to make your own jerky, you can make your own jerky with this thing. You can slow
I never
cook
knew that was something I wanted to do
until
until you just
now.
said it.
Yep,
Until
well,
literally
you
just
want
this
to do
second.
it
I knew
now.
you would want
I
that.
know, I saw his eyes light up a little
Yeah.
bit. You can do so many different things with this oven, and the best part is it connects directly to your phone. They have their own independent app with hundreds and hundreds of recipes. So it will walk you through all of the recipes on the little smart screen here. So we had this on the pizza setting. So let's see how crispy and delicious
Okay.
it got.
It looks so
It looks
good.
so good. It looks
Just
like we are in a pizzeria in Italy.
It really does.
Yeah, but the same pizza, again, should be said.
Right.
We've used the same pizza for everything.
Will you explain to me how you can air fry something and cook jerky? Like, I just don't
Sure.
understand how this one thing can do all of those things.
So, to dehydration, which
Yeah.
is like cooking jerky,
Yep.
is all about changing the humidity in the oven.
okay.
So it really sucks out all the humidity. We'll dry it like low and slow for like 8 or 10 hours. So considering all of these things and the fact that you didn't even know what a convection oven was when we started this, how do you feel? What are you going for?
Okay, I'm going to surprise everybody and say the high option.
Really?
Really?
Yeah, I didn't know what a convection oven was before, I don't know, 5 minutes ago. But when you said I could make jerky and dehydrate things, you really sold me. Well, I was either gonna go with, because I don't know what it is, I would say the low option because I need an intro to
Sure.
the wide world of convection ovens. But I love eating hot, spicy peppers. and they're not always in season. So I could dehydrate some ghost peppers and then have them year round.
That's the worst use case for this.
No, that's
a
great.
nightmare
That's
situation
great.
for me.
He adapted it to his lifestyle.
He did. I kind of hate that you already took that because that's like easily just like, there's nothing else
It's
like
so
it.
cool. I
It
think
almost-
anything tech enabled
Yes.
just feels very
It's
cool.
amazing.
It's like you've got to show up and have your friends come over and watch you use it.
Right. And it feels like it's not even fair to compare it to the other two because the other two just don't do everything
same
else.
thing. Yeah.
That being said, if I had to choose between these two guys to add to my registry, I would probably go with this one just because it's a little easier for me to mess up, or harder for me to mess up. I can press pizza. I don't have to worry about baking, broiling, all that
Totally.
good stuff. So that would be my choice.
But I think the point is, right, there's one for everybody, and no matter what your entry level price point is or what your skill level is or whether or not you want to make jerky, you can find something that you like.
Dehydrated peppers.
Oh, sorry, dehydrated peppers, my bad. So it sounds like we have a lot of things for you guys to add to your registry after these videos, but maybe you should finish that pizza first.
There.
Right?
We'll work
How's
on that.
sound? Work
Sounds
on
great.
that. You guys work on starting your not.com registry. You can add all of these goodies. Start charity funds, cash funds for anything you want, whether it's your honeymoon, a new couch, a puppy, whatever it may be. So get it started on the not.com, then come back here for more videos, and we'll see you soon. Thanks so much. Hi, thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to check out our channel for new videos every week. The subscribe button, it's up there.